Hey everybody, Slippery Slope here. This is Java tutorial number 25, and it's going to be a short one because all I want to show you guys is something called a conditional operator. And what it is instead of typing out an if-else statement, you can just use this small piece of code and it can do the work for you. Now, if it seems a little weird and you don't want to wrap your head around this sucker, then don't worry about it for your own purposes. But in case you're browsing someone else's code, someone else's source stuff, and you see one of these things, that way you know what's going on and you're not creeped out. So a conditional operator has three different parts, not counting punctuation. And the first part is a Boolean expression, whether it's true or false, something that we're testing here. Then we have a question mark. And after that question mark, we have one value, which is whether the expression is true, a colon, whether the value is false, and a semicolon, meaning that we're at the end of the statement. So again, to recap this just now, we want to have a Boolean expression here, something that's true or false, and then this question mark, just think of it as, I don't know yet if it's true or false. We haven't really talked about that yet. Our first possibility is what happens if it's true. And then our second possibility is something that happens if it is false. So just to give you a silly example, let's say we were having a pancake eating contest. Let's have a variable. We'll declare it and initialize it to 50. And we just want something to print out on screen concerning whether or not we are a really good eater of pancakes. Let's do a system.out.print. And in here, we're going to have pancake eating verdict, as in, are you a wonderful eater of pancakes in the pancake eating contest or not? A pancake eating verdict of you or whoever as a pancake eater is if pancakes is less than 50, we're going to put in, and we're going to get rid of that because that right now doesn't mark the end of the conditional operator, our question mark. And what happens if it's true? You are an expert pancake eater. And what happens if it's false? You need more pancake eating practice. And then we need two end parentheses here. One, because our conditional operator is enclosed in all of this. So that's what the opening and ending parentheses here are about. And then we need another to show that we're done with the system.out part. And we need to put in our semicolon. One other thing is I don't know why I plugged that in there. That's just silly. So there's no need to have an end parenthesis that soon. How to tap this? Looks fine as it is. Oh, that's cool. That's just fine and dandy. Easy to understand. Let's run this. Well, we ate 50 pancakes apparently. So what we got is pancake eating verdict. You need more pancake eating practice. It's nice that you ate 50 pancakes in, let's say, half an hour. But our test is whether pancakes is less than 50. And if it's true, you are an expert pancake eater. And if it's false, you need more pancake eating practice. Now, there is a logical issue here, because it'd be like, well, the more pancakes we eat, the better, right? So if pancakes is less than 50, and we ate less than 50 pancakes, then it's like, this should go in the false part, and this should go here. Because if we ate less than 50 pancakes, and 50 pancakes is the goal, then, well, heck, then we need more pancake eating practice. The second part is you are an expert pancake eater. So that last bit is just me going over a logical human component as to whether we're getting the answers that make sense to us. So again, we run this, pancake eating verdict. You are an expert pancake eater.